Okay, today we're going to do our dictation. We're working on the words with ank, ink, onk, and unk. The first word today is honk. Honk. H, onk. Honk. H, onk. Honk. The second word today is link. Link. L, ink. Link. L, ink. Link. Link. The next word, we see a blend at the beginning. The word is trunk. Trunk. Tr-unk. Trunk. Tr-unk. Trunk. Number 4 is the word is stink. Stink. St-ink. Stink. St-ink. Stink. Stink. Number 5 is a 2-syllable word. The word is plankton. Plankton. Pl-ank. Pl-ank. Plankton. T-a-n. Ton. Plankton. The word is plankton. Ready? Let's read through the words we wrote today. Honk, link, trunk, stink, plankton.